Here we go then, guys. A lovely dish called a wandering dragon. And it must have been lovely because there were 5 workmen at the front of my house and they loved it. Check it out at the end. And for this we need some cooking oil. I use groundnut, a white onion, or they call them brown onions sometimes, garlic, chicken breast, Chinese straw mushrooms. I love these. I got a couple of shitake mushrooms, pak choi stems, or you can use bamboo shoots. Got some baby corns, a carrot, mangetouts, rice wine, light soy, dark soy, oyster sauce, a little bit of salt and sugar, some white pepper, chicken stock, and a bit of cornflour at the end to make into a slurry to thicken things up, and the usual sesame oil as a finishing oil. You can easily make this dish vegetarian or vegan by using tofu and substituting the chicken stock for vegetable stock. Here we go then. Okay then, pan on the heat, in with some cooking oil. Like I said, I'm using groundnut for this. When it's hot enough, as tested by throwing an onion in there, look. In with the onions and in with the garlic. Now, I timed this from start to finish, not taking account of the time to get things out of the cupboard, 18 minutes. Slicing the chicken, chopping up the vegetables and the cooking, 18 minutes. So I've got it down to, what is it now? I've got it down about 9 minutes for the editing. So cook the onions for about 2 minutes till they're translucent. The smell of that garlic coming off is incredible. You'll notice I got the fan blowing the other way this time. Makes a lot more sense. When the onion's just about there, in with the chicken and stir fry the chicken about 2 minutes till all the sides are white and it's cooked through as much as you want it. Like I said before several times, I don't like it too brown. You can cook it however you want, it doesn't really matter. And that is exactly how I like it. Just taking on a little bit of colour, you'll notice on a few pieces there. In with the veg, and when I do the veg, I like to put the hardest veg in first. Carrots are the hardest in this one. Give them a minute on their own, just to soften up a little bit. Then in with the rest. And for this one, I've got mangetouts, pak choi stems, shitake mushrooms, straw mushrooms, and some baby corns. You can leave out a few veg if you want. I have got quite a bit in there. If you leave a bit out, then maybe add some more chicken. Or try using bamboo shoots, they go very well with this dish. I've only put mangetouts in, to be truthful, because they were in the fridge. Give it all a good stir frying. 2-3 minutes maybe. Like I said before, quicker with a wok. The frying pan's a little bit slower. And once you're happy, in with the rice wine. That made my eyes water, I'll tell you. Stir fry for another 2 or 3 minutes. And then it's in with all the other ingredients, all the sauces, etc. So we've got light soy, dark soy, little bit of salt and sugar. Give it all a good mixing in. In with the white pepper. Now, white pepper is the only thing in this dish that gives it a bit of heat. And you may be surprised to know that white pepper is the thing that provides the lingering heat in your mouth. A chilli will be the instant, oh, what have I done? But the white pepper's there. It leaves the aftertaste of a pepper. In with some oyster sauce. Oh, you can leave this out as well if you're going to do a vegetarian or vegan. I forgot that one at the beginning. Stick your spoon in the stock. No point wasting those last few drops. Give it all a good stir frying again. I so wish we had smell-o-vision, guys. I reckon it will come one day. My last Star Wars movie I saw, I watched it in 4D, and with that one they spray all these aromas in the air. In with the stock, chicken stock this time. And I made up a slurry off camera. I've learnt not to make it too early because it sets in the bottom of the little pot there. I use 1 part cornflour to 2 parts water. Seems to work, it's not too thick, it's a runny solution, and it does thicken up the sauce in the pan. Let the pan boil away for a minute or so, and then start adding the slurry, little bit at a time. If you put it all in, it could set solid. I've done it, and you don't want to do it. Not quite thick enough for me, this, so I put a little drop more in, and miraculously we have a lovely wandering dragon sauce. Give it another 30 seconds, then off the heat and in with the finishing sauce, and yet again it is non-toasted sesame oil for me. It gives the finished dish that lovely little shine and of course that last little bit of flavour. Time to dish up then guys, here we go. Catch you in a minute. Here we go then. Wandering Dragon. Oh yeah. I love these straw mushrooms. I can pick one up. I'll have to resort to a fork for this one, guys. Oh, that is lovely. And I know a bunch of road workers outside who will love this. I'll go and get a photograph of them. And here they are. The other 3 were obviously camera shy. Nah, they were off camera somewhere. It's always, it really does make your day when someone you don't know appreciates your food. And like I said before then guys, if you've got any requests for me to cook something, do let me know because I love rising to the challenge. Take care and I will catch you lot on the next recipe. Bye for now.